All right, this is a quick room tour of room 505 and the scenery hotel in Pattaya, Thailand. So, first, well, this is the room. I'll get to it real quick, but here's the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty nice. I just got here, so I haven't used anything. So, the sink, get your soap, and right. So here you go. You got a table here, TV. There was a little table there with the chair. The table's outside now with the ashtray. And yep, here's the bed. And outside you have a small little balcony, but it's enough for you to smoke if you need to smoke. And here you have the closet, right next to the bed. Safe. The handle right there. And that's pretty much it. This is Ariel Pant signing off from the Scenery Hotel in Thailand. Adios.